let us draw the root locus for the system shown below. K s plus 1 divided by s minus 1, s plus 2, and s plus 4. Now, small change. We'll do it for first. K s plus 2, s plus 4, s plus 5. Let us solve this first, then we'll go to that one. Now, let us start with the number of poles. We have 4 poles. What are the poles? What are the poles?
0, minus 2,
minus 2,
minus 4, minus 5.
These are our poles. It is observed that people are not writing step number 1. Please write everything neatly. Step number 1. How many poles are there? 4 poles. Hence, the number of branches in root locus are 4. Please write down. There are 4 poles. There are 4 poles. Hence, the number of branches. Hence, the number of branches in the root locus are 4. Number of branches in the root locus are 4. Step number 2, it speaks about the origin and final. So 4 branches starts at, write down, the 4 branches of root locus starts at 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5. 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5. And all branches terminate at infinity. All branches terminate at infinity. Now, step number 3. Before going to step number 3, let us draw the S-plane and mark our poles. So we have poles at 0, so we have poles. Let us mark our poles. We have poles at 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5. We have 4 poles, 0, minus 2, minus 4, and minus 5. Now, which point lies in our root locus? Which points lies in our root locus? Real axis,
-2 to -0 and -5 to -3.
0 to -2 and
-3 to -5.
-4 to -5.
-4 to -.
Yeah, that's correct. So the point between 0 to -2 and the point between -4 to -5 lies in our root locus, because right side of these points we have odd number of poles and zeros. So write down step number 3. Step number 3, all the points between 0 to -2, 0 to -2 and -4 to -5, -4 to -5 on real axis lies in root locus. Since number of poles and zeros to the right of these points, step number 4, all the 4 branches will terminate at infinity. We don't have any zero, so we required 4 asymptotes. So find out the angles. Step number 4. So I think we'll get phi is equal to 45, 135, 225 and 315. How much you getting?
Same, sir.
45, 135, 225 and 315. So we got 4 asymptotes. Next is centroid. The sum of real parts of pole. So 0, -2, -4, -5 -0 divided by P minus Z. How much are you getting?
2.75.
Minus
2.75.
2.75. That's correct. So minus 2.75 is my centroid. So let us mark minus 2.75. Minus 2.75. This is my centroid. So I'll draw 45. These are my asymptotes from this centroid. So this is centroid. S square plus 40s when you multiply this. Now let us differentiate this and find out the root. So we get 4s cube plus 33s square plus 78s 76s plus 40, and this we have to treat with 0. So what are the roots?
Minus 0.74.
Minus
0.74.
0.75.
minus 0.74.
Minus 2.92.
Minus
2.92.
2.92. And one more.
Minus 4.57.
Minus 4.57. 5, 7. Now let us check which points lies on my root locus. Which
minus
points?
4,
Minus
minus 4, minus 0.74 and minus 4.57.
both. So both these 2 points lies on my root locus. So write down the breakaway point is minus 0.74 and minus 4.57. Both they lie on my root locus. So let us mark the breakaway point minus 0.74 somewhere here and 4.5 somewhere here. These are the breakaway point. Now angle of departure is not required because all the 4 poles are on my real axis. So this particular step is not required. And directly we'll go for intersection with imaginary line. Directly go for intersection with imaginary line. So 1 plus k s plus 2 s plus 4 s plus 5 equal to 0. So when you solve this, you get s4 11s cube 38 s square 40s plus k equal to 0. Now let us go for RH. S4 s cube s square s1 s0. What is this? 1 11 38 40 k. Now what is this value? First value s square.
34.36.
Pardon, 30?
4.36.
Correct. 34.36. What about this one?
K, sir.
Pardon? K.
Yes.
Yeah. Now this is this into this minus 11k by this. So 40 into 34.36.
1374.4
1374.4
minus 11,
k by
34.6.
34.36. That's correct. And last is k. Now what is the range of k? Find the range of k from these two line S0
0
and
to
S1.
125.
0 to
125.
125. This is my range of k. Now to find out the intersection, we have to take k equal to 125 and put it in this equation, auxiliary equation. So 34.36 s square plus k is 125 is equal to 0. So what is s square?
Plus or minus 1.90 J, sir.
That's correct. 1.9. So you got intersection at 1.9. So let us mark 1.9. So it is somewhere here and it is somewhere here, 1.9. So this ends our calculation. And now let us complete our root locus. So 1.9 it is crossing, and then breakaway is this one. This is first arrow mark, So this is one part. Similarly, this is another breakaway point. Now all the arrow mark we have to make. This starts from here and goes up to breakaway point. So there is arrow mark. This starts from here and it goes to breakaway point. So there is arrow mark. This side, arrow mark. So this completes our root locus. This is very important question. This is very important question. Please complete your sketch.